Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with Social Media Ministries. I have an exciting announcement. You can now support Social Media Ministries when you shop at Walmart. So the next time you're shopping at walmart.com, ordering gifts or presents for someone or getting your groceries, or you're on the Walmart app and you're shopping through there, you can support Social Media Ministries directly in your checkout. So what does it take? Well, when you're checking out, again, online, so online or through the app, now this applies whether you are ordering online and shipping to your home or whether you are ordering and then going to Walmart and picking it up. It's called Spark for Good or Roundup. So that's what you're going to look for when you're on the checkout page. Clicking through, there's going to be an option to round up your purchase to the next dollar amount, and then that amount will go to Social Media Ministries. For example, let's say you purchase some groceries and the amount is $29.50. You can round it up to an even $30, and then 50 cents will go to Social Media Ministries. Now these donations, of course, Walmart is going to provide you with a giving receipt, a charitable donation receipt that you can use, and all of that will come to Social Media Ministries through the Walmart program for nonprofits. So we are verified with them. We're a verified nonprofit. That was a big process, so celebrate with us. We finally got that taken care of. But now you can support us when you check out. Just round up to the nearest dollar amount, and it's not that much, and it's a little bit, but every little bit helps. So if you do that when you shop at Walmart, and you can tell your friends and family to do the same thing, we would really appreciate it. Another thing that you can do to support us through Walmart is we have what's called a registry. And so it's a bunch of items that we could use here at Social Media Ministries, and you can go on with the link in the description below. You can click and you can view all these items, and if you want, you can purchase something and it will be shipped directly to us. So you don't have to worry about getting it to us. You don't have to be like, well, I'll buy this, but how am I going to get it to them? All you do is you buy it, you add it to your cart, boom, it ships right to us. You can even do the roundup thing in your cart when you check out and round up to the nearest dollar amount, so you have those even dollar amounts on your credit card when you make those purchases. I always kind of like that, but a lot of people might not be like me. I kind of like everything even. But it's a great way for you to support Social Media Ministries. So please consider doing so. Remember this when you shop on Walmart, that you can round up to the nearest dollar and select Social Media Ministries as your preferred charity, so then we can receive that difference, those pennies, every time you make a purchase, every time your friend makes a purchase, every time your family member makes a purchase from Walmart. Now, one thing is you can still, if you're a points or a rewards type person and you like to shop with these My Points or Inbox Dollars or Rakuten or all these different things, Ebates, Swag Bucks, you can still click through them and shop. And then when you check out, just use the roundup. It doesn't take away from any of that, so don't worry about your points. You can still gather all that and make a difference helping Social Media Ministries. And of course, check out that registry in the description below. A lot of items that we could use, that we can always use. There's no limit. We can always use them. We have different events and things going on where all of those things in that list, we'll keep them updated. But feel free to purchase any of those at any time, and again, it will be shipped right to us here at Social Media Ministries. Thank you so much. I hope you share this video with your friends and your family and on your social media accounts, and also check out the other videos of different ways you can support us. Thank you, and God bless.